TikTok is everywhere. It's the app everyone is using. Millions of people watch TikTok videos every day. Businesses need to be on TikTok. Ignoring TikTok is a big mistake. Small businesses are finding success on TikTok. They use it to reach new customers. They create fun and engaging videos. This gets people interested in their products. TikTok is a powerful tool for small businesses. It helps them tell their story, it helps them connect with their audience, and it helps them grow. TikTok is all about short, entertaining videos that capture your attention quickly. Unlike other social media platforms, TikTok focuses on delivering bite-sized content that is easy to consume and share. It's different from other platforms. It's fast-paced and attention-grabbing, making it perfect for the modern on-the-go lifestyle. The app's algorithm is designed to keep you engaged by showing you content that matches your interests. Users can easily discover new content through the For You page, which curates videos based on your viewing habits. This makes it incredibly easy to find new creators and trends. TikTok has special features that businesses love. From in-app editing tools to analytics, it offers a range of functionalities that help businesses grow their online presence. They can use music and sounds to make their videos more engaging. The vast library of songs and sound effects allows for endless creativity. They can add cool effects to their videos, making them visually appealing and unique. These features help in capturing the viewer's attention. This makes their content stand out in a crowded social media landscape. Eye-catching visuals and engaging audio make a big difference. Small businesses can use TikTok to their advantage by showcasing their products in a fun and engaging way. This helps in reaching a wider audience. They can be creative and have fun while promoting their brand. This not only attracts customers but also builds a loyal community. This helps them connect with their audience on a personal level. Engaging with followers through comments and direct messages fosters a sense of community. They don't need expensive equipment to create high-quality content. A simple smartphone is enough to get started. Anyone can make great content on TikTok regardless of their budget or technical skills. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Many small businesses are winning on TikTok. This platform has become a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to expand their reach and connect with a broader audience. Take for example the Dessert Room Bakery. This charming bakery has mastered the art of engaging content. They post videos of their delicious treats, showcasing everything from the baking process to the final product. People see their videos and rush to buy their cakes and cookies. The visual appeal and mouth-watering content drive foot traffic and online orders. Another great example is Plant Parent Paradise. This small business has found its niche in the plant-loving community. This small business sells plants ranging from common houseplants to rare exotic species. They share tips on how to care for plants, making plant care accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Their videos are fun and informative, often featuring step-by-step guides and creative plant arrangements. This brings them lots of new customers who are eager to learn and grow their plant collections. The secret to TikTok success is simple: be authentic. Authenticity resonates with viewers and builds trust. Show the behind the scenes of your business. Let your audience see the hard work and passion that goes into your products. Share your story with your audience. Be real. People respond to authenticity. When they see the real you, they feel a connection and are more likely to support your business. TikTok is more than just dance videos. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way we consume and create content. From educational clips to DIY tutorials, TikTok offers a diverse range of videos that cater to all interests. It's a powerful tool for businesses. Entrepreneurs and small business owners are leveraging TikTok to showcase their products and services in creative ways, reaching potential customers they might never have found otherwise. It helps them reach a huge audience. With TikTok's algorithm, even a single video can attract thousands, if not millions of views, providing unprecedented exposure. It's cheaper than traditional advertising. Creating content on TikTok doesn't require a big budget, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes to market themselves effectively. Why is TikTok better than other platforms? Unlike other social media, TikTok's unique algorithm promotes content based on engagement rather than follower count, giving everyone a fair chance to go viral. TikTok is all about discovery. Users are constantly finding new content, which means your business has the opportunity to be discovered by a global audience. This means your videos can go viral. A well-crafted video can spread like wildfire, bringing immense attention to your brand. Even small accounts can get millions of views. This level playing field is what makes TikTok so appealing for small businesses. The future is bright for small businesses on TikTok. As more people join the platform, the potential for growth and success continues to expand. More and more people are using the app every day. This growing user base means an ever-increasing audience for your content. This means more customers for your business. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you can tap into this vast potential. Get on TikTok now and start creating. Embrace the platform and watch your business grow in ways you never imagined.